Everyone knows that Google Stadia isn't available in India yet, and so many more countries. When a huge company like Google announces a product from absolutely a new niche which they never got their hands on, specifically Google Stadia, it's very obvious people will be excited about it. Most people don't even know that cloud gaming was a thing already. Yes, services like Shadow, GeForce Now, Vortex and xCloud were already in the race. But nobody knew about them much or say they weren't that popular. At least for me, I never heard about those services as I did for Google Stadia. When Google launches a product that apparently claims to run high-end PC games at 4K, 60 FPS max at just 35 megabits per second of speed without you even having a powerful desktop. Well, that sounds really dope. Nope, this video isn't sponsored by Google and it's my first video on YouTube, so that's definitely not possible. Well, now getting to the point, today in this video we gonna review Google Stadia, specifically how it works in India and our experience with it. Before that, just letting you guys know that Google claims that you need at least 10 megabits per second of connection in order to use Google Stadia at 720p 60 FPS. And we have 50 megabits per second of connection, so speeds shouldn't be an issue here for us. Let's see how it works. In order to make this work, you need to have a VPN set up on your desktop. Doesn't matter if it's a free or a paid VPN, as long as you are getting good enough speeds, you are good to go. We still were getting around 40 megabits per second speed when connected to a United States server. You can use Proton VPN, it's a free VPN software. Being very honest, we don't have any actual footage of gameplay recorded here because we were in a free 2-month trial on Google Stadia Pro subscription, and that's when we tried it. And now we decided to open this channel, so just sharing my experience with you guys. We were still getting around 40 megabits per second of speeds even after connecting to a VPN, which is enough to use Google Stadia as per Google claims. But still, there was a ton of lag and delay in the gameplay. The Stadia page loads fast, the games to load fast. The only problem was when we were inside the game. There was a ton of input lag and lag in general. We don't blame Google for this. Maybe it's just the actual location and the data center being too far. That's obviously the reason. Because people, where Stadia is available, are having fun with it. So yes, that was our small review on Google Stadia. That's how it works in India. Basically, it doesn't currently. We don't know when they officially gonna launch Stadia in India, but just hope for the best. We personally believe there is still a good amount of time remaining for Stadia to launch in India.